And today I'm going to show you how you can crochet this cute bookmark in just 5 minutes. Make a slip knot like this. Now chain 7 for making a chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over again and pull through the loop on hook. Now make a row of half double crochet. Now into the second stitch from the hook 1, 2, yarn over, insert a hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. This is first half double crochet stitch. Make half double crochet stitches till the end of the row. For starting a second row, chain 1. Now turn your work. Make SGC in the first stitch. Now this is the last stitch of the second row. Now continue adding the rows until you reach the desired length. I made 16 rows. Now weave in the ends. Now make a bow. Adjust the length of the bow. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe.